Hi guys, my name is Magai from Itechmedia. In today's video, I'll be showing how to download video from Facebook direct to your gallery. And this video is for Apple users, not for Android users. In my next video, I'll be doing it for Android users. Without wasting your time, pick your phone and let's do it together.
So first of all, you have to go to Facebook. So when you launch your Facebook app like this, I think
doctor say malaria. Injection.
Yeah, you will see copy. There are so many.
My injection, no.
Comments, share.
Doctor, no so what me to.
Click on the copy. When you
me to
like this, the link is going to copy. Once you finish to download it, you go to Safari. You can come back to your screen and choose Safari. So I choose Safari like this. I think I've already launched the website before. That's why I'm having it already. So you type in your Safari title bar. You type in Snapseed app. That's the website you can use to download the video from Facebook direct to your gallery. So once you type in Snapseed app, you paste the link you've copied from Facebook. So you see the URL over there. You click on it and then you paste your link. After you pasted the link, you click on download. Okay, let's wait and see. Fine. Once you pasted the link and click on download, you see there will still be an option there. Then you choose this time. This is the quality. I think you can choose the top one. It's better. That's what I've been using. So you click on the top download. There will still be a download again. Then you click on that download again. So on top of your screen, you'll see two A's over there. You'll see there's a blue color. Yeah, blue. Yeah, boom. It has finished downloading. So you click on that arrow. Once you click on that arrow, you'll see downloads. You'll see show, reader, and download, blah blah blah. Then you choose on download. Wow, I think this is the video we downloaded from Facebook. So at this point, you're going to choose this arrow, the arrow there. Then you scroll top, you'll see save video. This time we're going to save it direct to your gallery. So let's click on it and see. Boom. Once you click on it, let's go to our gallery and see that we're going to find the video or not. See, as you can see the video. This is a simple trick. If you don't know, try it and let's see what you're going to get. If your data is running slow, just take your time. You are going to achieve it. Just take your time. So let me
enjoy the video. Please let me know how you do it on your own, and don't forget to follow Itechmedia on Facebook, YouTube the same as Itechmedia. Let me know how you did it in the comment section. Bye.